missing leg.
Such a long way away. Just 60 the lead now.
That's why.
That looked adjacent, but there were two sound Asian. And lots of bat. Not entirely sure how much running he can do between the wickets, so it's all happening.
Oh yeah!
Wrong shot.
Another wicket. Things. West Indies essentially now 60 for 3 for 7.
The rest of their batting.
On target and the length again. Always that temptation. Couldn't withstand it, couldn't restrict on. And that actually spoils. Yeah, there would have been the temptation, and I'm sure a lot of wickets. But I like.
That is a low down the line. No bounce whatsoever. Now if you can get a...
Absolutely. So a little bit more. And that's what they should be thinking.
Start. I don't know how we'll go in the series, but you have to believe Pakistan, England series lead. Last ball, getting Justin Graves down the other end. 106 for 7.
Your bowl except the Ruston chase, indicative of that bowl straight.
Catch it is the cry. Won't get there. Little bit of flavour in the attempt from Sajid. Can't stop it. That sounded good. And they're asking Sajid to come straighter. So 4 deep fielders now on that defensive shot.
Has made some use.
Bang on target. And in T20 cricket. And if conditions allow, he can have yards, the hard work, and finding success. Low percentage shot. Graves unwise, but very good bowling. And last man, Jamel Warrican. Let's this.
Hitting the deck hard. Playing for those one did. Helped on the most part this morning. A couple times he went across the line. Indies 72 ahead.
Got to read the conditions a little bit better. Eight is the preferred area to score. 117 for 8.
Face of the bat. Usman.